How to select a default payment card for your Express Transit card in Apple Wallet on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we go down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Next, scroll down, and then in the Transit Cards section, tap on Express Transit Card, and then select a payment card. Next, you need to enter in your passcode, and that's it. Now, so that the card you select will work automatically without requiring Face ID or your passcode. Just hold iPhone near a supported transit reader, and that's it. Finally, you can go back to the previous screen by tapping the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.